In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate the process of selecting and purchasing a course on Udemy. Whether you're looking to pick up a new skill, enhance your professional abilities, or simply want to dive into something intriguing, Udemy has a wealth of courses that might just be what you're searching for. Let's walk through the steps together so you can confidently snag that course you're excited about. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Udemy website. If you're not familiar with the site, Udemy is a popular platform that offers a variety of courses on countless subjects. You'll find everything from coding and marketing classes to personal development courses. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted by a sea of possibilities. Don't let it overwhelm you. Take your time to browse through the various categories. You might notice there's a search bar at the top where you can type in specific interests or topics you'd like to explore further. After you've narrowed down your options and selected a course that piques your interest, click on it to get more details. You'll find a comprehensive description of what the course entails, along with information about the instructor and any reviews from previous students. This section can be very helpful in making an informed decision. If everything checks out and you're ready to make a purchase, you'll see the Buy Now button, which you'll want to click to proceed to the payment section. At this point, you're almost there, but it's important to decide how you want to pay for the course. Udemy typically offers several payment methods, ranging from credit cards to services like PayPal. Under Payment Method, you'll have the chance to see the available options. Take a moment to verify that your desired payment method is supported. Switching to your preferred payment choice is simple. Just select it from the list. Once you've finalized your payment details and ensured everything is in order, complete your purchase. And there you have it. You're ready to start your learning journey. Right after payment, you should gain full access to all course materials. You can start, pause, and replay lessons at your convenience, making it incredibly flexible for any schedule. Remember, the beauty of online courses is that they allow you to learn at your own pace, fitting into your life as it suits you best. I hope this guide empowers you to confidently purchase and enjoy your courses on Udemy. Dive in and happy learning.